Constructivism is built on the principle of active learning. It argues that learners are not passive recipients of information. Rather, they construct their own understanding by actively engaging with the material. This engagement involves questioning, hypothesizing, and making connections to their own experiences, which allows them to develop a deeper and more personalized understanding of the topic. Another key tenet of constructivism is the emphasis on social interaction. In this theory, learning is not an isolated process. It's something that occurs in a social context through interaction with peers, teachers, or others in the environment. By discussing and debating ideas with others, learners can refine their own understandings and arrive at new insights. In a constructivist framework, the learner is at the center of the educational process. This means that learning activities should be relevant, meaningful, and engaging for each individual student. Teachers serve as facilitators, guiding learners to construct their own knowledge, rather than acting as the primary source of information. This is often achieved through problem-based learning, projects, and other student-directed activities. Constructivism values deep, conceptual understanding over rote learning or memorization. Constructivist learners seek to understand the underlying principles and concepts of what they're learning, not just the facts. By integrating new knowledge with their existing knowledge structures, learners can make sense of complex ideas and apply their learning in new contexts. Finally, reflective practice is a key component of constructivism. Reflection allows learners to review their learning experiences, evaluate their understanding, and plan their future learning strategies. By reflecting on their own thinking processes, learners can gain insights into their own learning, making them more effective and independent learners in the future. The most well-known framework for constructivism is Piaget's stage-based model. Piaget's stages are essential for any educator to know and understand. Watch this video below on Piaget's stages, and make sure you take notes on the 4 stages of cognitive development from Piaget's constructivist theory.